Hey guys, how's it going today? This is a review for the Dreame H14 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. I recently picked up the Dreame H14 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, and, after several weeks of daily use, I'm genuinely impressed by how seamlessly it handles both dust and spills. Right out of the box, its slim, upright profile felt lighter than I expected, just over 5 kg, yet solidly built. Maneuvering it around furniture and into tight corners proved effortless thanks to the 180-degree, lie-flat brush head, which let me glide under sofas and cabinets without stooping or wrestling with awkward angles. When I first switched it on, the strong 18,000 PA suction immediately tackled fine dust and larger crumbs alike. On my hardwood floors, the roller left no streaks or residue, and even dried cereal bits near baseboards were dislodged by the resilient comb edge. Transitioning to my low-pile rugs, I noticed the brush roll's dual rotation not only lifted embedded dirt but also gently propelled the machine forward, making sweeping motions feel almost weightless. What really stands out, though, is the separation of clean and dirty water. At no point did I detect any breakdown in suction or worry about filthy water re-entering the clean tank. Emptying and refilling the tanks is straightforward. The 900 ml clean water reservoir and 700 ml wastewater tank click out with a satisfying snap and rinse under the tap in seconds. After each session, I dock the H14 and initiate its built-in self-cleaning cycle. It runs 60-degree hot water through the brush roll, then follows up with a few minutes of heated airflow, thoroughly drying everything to prevent mold or odors. I appreciate not having to touch a slimy brush roll or worry about bacterial growth when I store it away. Battery life has also met my expectations. Thanks to 6 $4,000 Moye cells, I get about 35 minutes of continuous cleaning on a full charge, enough to cover my 120-minute apartment in one go. When the battery does run low, it takes roughly 4 hours to recharge, so I simply plug it in after each use and it's ready by the next day. The cordless design, combined with the straightforward 2-button controls, makes cleaning feel like less of a chore. Of course, no device is perfect. I've noticed that even in the suction-only mode, floors can stay slightly damp, especially around the edges, so I sometimes follow up with a quick microfiber wipe. And while 18,000 PA is more than adequate for mixed surface maintenance, it doesn't quite match the raw power of top-tier dry-only cordless vacuums when dealing with deep-ground pet hair. Finally, the H14 sits at a premium price point, so it's an investment best suited for those who value hands-free cleaning over budget picks. All told, the Dreame H14 delivers on its promise of an all-in-one solution: vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning with minimal effort on my part. For my daily upkeep, dust, occasional spills, pet fur, and everything in between, it has made a noticeable difference in how quickly and thoroughly I can maintain a spotless home. If you're willing to invest in a versatile, largely maintenance-free cleaner, the H14 is a rare find. Highly recommended. If you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.